What is going on YouTube? Hitting back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as XRP to US dollar. We're also going to be looking at DueDEX as well as the current coin market cap. Specifically in today's episode, I do want to look at not only these cryptocurrencies, but the S&P 500 as well, as I do know a lot of you guys have interests in investing in Roth IRAs and things of that nature. But specifically, I do want to focus in and hone in on a few things in today's video. That will be specifically the potential correction and reversal we may have to look out for in a lot of the cryptocurrencies here in the space. Specifically Litecoin, we're starting to see reversal signals. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, even you know, trading on DueDEX, it might open up a good position for a short. But I do want to go into specifics about this as well as the S&P 500. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up as this does help out the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. Otherwise, let's jump into today's video. Alright guys, so as you can clearly see, we have a big money opportunity. XRP, Ripple, and Bitcoin are showing huge signs of what could be I don't want to say catastrophic, but a major correction in price. And I know it sounds like I'm over-exaggerating things, but I really don't want to sound like that. In reference, the drop we could be experiencing, I'll pull it up right here. I'll zoom into the daily. Ultimately, it would just be the price point that we're at now at 11,600, potentially pulling down to 9,700. This is about a drop of, I would say, 16%, which started up at the price point of 22%. So a 22% drop in price. It's fairly large, but I do think it is realistically possible and feasible given the certain circumstances we're starting to face within the crypto. Now, I might sound repetitive, but there are a lot of new people joining the channel, and they should and will hear me discuss what it is that we have to look at. So obviously, there are a few key things that we've discussed. Obviously, shooting star formations as well as the double top we're experiencing on a lot of the major cryptocurrencies. You can clearly see on XRP that we are facing what looks to be a beautiful double top formation. We have a clear 2 points of resistance. We have the neckline right here. The price looks like it is about to break to the downside. So how do you guys capitalize off this movement? Not only can you trade, you can short XRP, but most likely and more than likely, not only will XRP be the one dropping, but a lot of the other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, etc., will be dropping as well. Today is Sunday night. This video will be going out tomorrow. As you guys know, gyms open, the 20, at least in New York, they open the 24th. My gym opens at 6 a.m. and that is where I'm going to be at 6 a.m. because I have not been to a real gym in 6 months, and it's been a crazy ride because I used to go to the gym every single day. I haven't missed more than 2 days in a row in the past 5 years. I've been going 7 days a week. So it's just something routine OCD that I have, and the fact that they're opening up, I want to be the first one in there. So absolutely insane. But that's why I'm making this video today. I'll post it up in the morning, but there's really not going to be much change in the few hours that we'll have overnight. Ultimately, though, I do believe we are going to correct lower. I do believe this reversal is going to happen, and it's very easy to capitalize off this. And you guys really have to listen to me when I say this. You need to sign up for DueDEX. You can watch these videos. You can, whether it's something you watch all the time or just here and there, you need to sign up for DueDEX. You need to create an account. The link is in the description. The reason is you want to be prepared for these dips in prices. You want to be prepared for these breakouts. And in order to profit, and the sole reason why you'd be watching these videos is to create some sort of return on investment, create some sort of profit. And in order to do that, you have to have some sort of exchange in your toolbox and some sort of skill invested in there to capitalize off these movements. So obviously with DueDEX, the fact that you can short, and it doesn't have to be specifically DueDEX, it could be any exchange your heart desires. I'm just using DueDEX because I enjoy it. The link is in the description. But the reason I use DueDEX is just because I'm familiar with it. It's easy to use and I really enjoy how it works. So I have my account loaded up, you can see there's my available assets right here. I have about 0.3 of a Bitcoin, which is quite a bit. It's not too bad. I mean, we could do BTC to USD. 0.28 of a Bitcoin comes out to about $3,200. So I have about $3,200 sitting in that account, and I'm waiting to trade. I'm waiting for the right time. Ultimately, I do plan on creating a short very soon. The way Bitcoin is looking at this shooting star reversal, this is clear as day, guys. I don't know how else we have to discuss this. It's also a good time that I'm discussing this now because we just started the new candle. We have 6 days and 23 hours left. Yesterday's candle just closed, and the fact that this is a beautiful shooting star formation is more music to my ears that we're probably going to we're going to reverse. You can see a shooting star doji is a top resistance and then a reversal. So shooting star dojis usually show the price drop confirmation right here. We see the reversal and then the decline in price, ultimately, leading us to what could be a beautiful reversal in price, which is what I think is going to be happening. Not only did we break below the bear or the resistance right here, which is incredible to see that as well, we broke the bearish resistance and now we're starting to tumble a little bit lower. I do believe we're going to drop in price. Even though we have a bullish cross right here, we have XRP, which is showing a double top formation, a reversal forming. We have Ethereum, which is showing a reversal. We have Litecoin, which is showing that shooting star formation as well, indicating reversal patterns. I just really think we're hitting resistances and we're probably going to be consolidating lower. Now, when I zoom out to the daily, we really don't look too bad. We're just consolidating here for quite a bit. But I just want to show you guys how easy it is. And if you guys want to know my specific trades, you can easily just, follow me on Patreon. That's also in the description, so you can learn how exactly I profit off of trades like this. But the start of the new candle will create a limit order, leverage 10 times. I don't normally show my trades on YouTube, but I'm going to do it here today. So clearly, you just create an order price. We have 11,616. We could even do a market order. It really doesn't matter. I want to short this. At this price, I feel comfortable buying in right now. Leverage it 10 times. Quantity, I want to put in, let's do 2,000. So I'll put in 2,000, which is 0.172 of Bitcoin. I'll sell short. I'll confirm this right here. You can also, do risk managements, set up stop losses. We can do that too if I want, actually. I can get rid of take profit. Quantity, I want to do 2,000. If that is accurate. Stop loss 11,498. The price is right here. No, I plan on shorting 11,708. So if this goes all the way up to 708, it'll clear. I do believe, let's see, the price probably won't retest about 11,900. I don't think we'll go there, and if we do, then we know it's a clear break to the upside. So 11,900 is where I'd like to create this resistance or this stop loss, get me out if we go up above that. So 11,900, 25% loss, 0.017. Let's place the order. That should clear right now. Boom. So we have a position filled right now. That's my position. I've bought in currently. There's a good chance that I believe we're going to be heading down lower within this week due to the fact that XRP is showing a double top formation, signaling potentially a reversal to the downside. We have Ethereum, which seems to have hit a top, probably going to reverse lower. We have Bitcoin hitting that top as well, showing a shooting star formation, which is also probably going to reverse to the downside, as well as Litecoin. Same thing. So when I look at all these and I see that they're all fairly in sync, it gives me enough valuation to assume we're probably going to head lower. You can also see there is some sort of downtrend on this coin as well. I mean, we could, play this if we wanted to. I mean, this is being a pain in the butt. But some sort of resistance, some sort of downtrend that is showing resistance and a correction to the downside. It seems to be forming mainly on that. I mean, we can always look on the daily on here. We can see that there is a downtrend of such right here, something along the lines of this. Ultimately, the prices are dropping, and I do believe are going to continue to drop. That's why I created the short. So my short's in. You're more than welcome to copy this. We'll see how it is tomorrow. Obviously, we're up a little bit, but it's only a percentage. It's really nothing much. I made $1.55 really quickly, but it's nothing to be overly hyped about. It's really depending on how exactly this market moves. But you obviously want to cover your ass. You want to cover this by creating some sort of stop market trigger price to clear it. So I clearly set the resistance right here. I have a feeling we're not going to break above here. You can see that's pretty much where I stopped. If there's a chance we break above here, there's a good chance we'll be switching long and switching bullish. But that's why I have the stop loss triggered right here. There's a good chance we're probably going to head down from this price, and that's why I've created that. Ultimately, that was a Bitcoin short. Check out DueDEX, link in the description. But XRP shows signs of that reversal. So does Ethereum. And obviously, so does Bitcoin. Bitcoin shows that we're hanging out here too long, and there's a good chance we'll climb back down to its moving average. So I do think we're going to reverse fairly quickly. That's why I created the stop loss. Let me know what you guys think. Obviously, if you want to know more about my trades, link in the description down below. Sign up for my Patreon. Otherwise, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, CryptoVOfficial, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.